Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lovette, and in today's tutorial we are going to be trying out a 3-in-1 half wig for the very first time. And shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. Can you imagine, this company actually has their own shipping box. The hair came well protected. Once you open the box, the first thing you see is the hair, which has been wrapped like some sort of luxurious gift. Moving on to the star of the show, which is our unit. This is what it looks like. It has a comb in the middle, like a big comb in the middle. It also has like 2 combs on the sides and a comb at the back and a drawstring. And the reason why it has a drawstring is because, like I said, this is a 3-in-1 half wig, which you can wear as a normal wig, as a half wig, and you can also wear as a drawstring ponytail. It's so versatile. I'm just running my hands through the unit without applying anything. My hands are gliding smoothly. This is a company that I have worked with for like 5 years plus, and when I tell you that their products don't shed, they don't tangle, they don't. So I'm just going to go ahead and define the curls so you guys can see. The first thing I'm going to do to define the curls is go ahead and spray the hair down. For areas where I feel the hair isn't wet enough, I'm going to go ahead and spray with water. In the second spray bottle, I'm going to go ahead and mix my water and conditioner. My go-to conditioner to use is none other than Tresemme. Tresemme is my ride or die. I don't measure this. I just kind of like eyeball it. And the curls were so juicy, so bouncy, and I couldn't wait to have it on my head. This hair is 18 inches and has a 3B3C curl pattern. My hair type is like 4C to 4Z, if that makes any sense, and like with a lot of shrinkage. And to be honest, not that I don't like my hair, I just don't like wearing wigs that are 4C textured. I feel like it could be a lot of work. Alright, so if you want to see how I went ahead to blend my 4C hair with 3B3C half wig, definitely keep on watching. This right here was the next day, and I don't know if you guys can see, but the curls were popping. The hair was beautiful, and at this point I went ahead to apply my hair serum, which is none other than my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine serum. Ever since I got this, I have been reaching out to it. Like, it's almost empty. I also got this hair in the color 1B because my hair is a little bit dark. I discovered that with HerGivenHair, the color of their natural hair wigs is always a little bit lighter than the color of my hair, so I decided to try the 1B option this time around. So if your hair is more like a color 1 or 1B, make sure you choose the color 1B option at checkout. So this is me with my hair. I kind of like had my hair in basic cornrows all to the back, and the 2 pieces you guys see here at the front is definitely going to be my leave out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put on the wig before I even take off my cornrows, and this hair was given. It looked so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and just loosen the hair in front, and just use my flat iron to straighten the hair a bit. I feel like, in my opinion, a half wig is just a headband wig but without the band. I also secured the combs at the back and used the drawstring as well, just so the hair could lay flat on my head. And now I'm just blending my hair. Because my hair is a little bit scarce, I have like thin hair at the front, my hairline. I'm going to go ahead with my curtain, what's it called? It's like hair fiber. It has like actual real hair fibers. I'm going to go ahead and spray that and go in with my Shine and Jam, just so you guys can see. I wanted to kind of like have a little bit of leave out and flip my hair over. I'm also going to go ahead and pin the hair down with my bobby pin, like so. This is one of those units whereby you're actually in a rush to go to somewhere and it's just like grab and go. So you're not thinking about how to blend your lace, you're not thinking about your hairline showing, you're not thinking about the 1,000,001 processes that you have to do just to get that blended. I feel like this is definitely one unit you must have in your collection. The hair was beautiful. If you guys don't know HerGivenHair, they actually specialize in like human hair of the best quality. I'm not saying this because like this is a sponsored post. I'm saying this because I have worked with this brand for over 5 years. Whatever curl pattern you want, HerGivenHair has it. If your curl pattern is 3C4A, they have a wig for you. 4B4C, they have a wig for you. One other style I wanted to really try for you guys was a drawstring ponytail. I spent my time, my hair is pretty short, right? As you guys can see, I spent my time, you know, put my hair up in a ponytail, went to bed, and by the time I woke up, my durag was on the floor, my stocking cap was somewhere else, and my hair was all over the place. And I was like, you know what, I'm done. Like, this is how I'm gonna be using this wig anyway. So I hope you guys found this helpful. What other hairstyle do you think you can try with the half wig? Let me know in the comment section, and I don't mind doing like a reel or a YouTube shorts just so you guys can see. Every single thing you see in the video is going to be linked in the description box down below. And once again, I hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you leave a like. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, pause this video, click on that subscribe button, turn on your notifications just so you don't miss any. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys. Mwah.